Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Now OPPO just launched their brand new Reno 12 series. What I have here is actually the OPPO Reno12 Pro 5G, and in today's video we're not going to do a full review of the device. What we're going to do is actually check out OPPO's take on AI. Now they're actually calling it Gen AI, and it's got a couple of cool features on board. So just so you know, the device itself is powered by the Dimensity 7300 energy processor, which is actually a very efficient processor, but more importantly it's actually designed to carry on very quick kind of AI tasks on board the device itself. So without further ado, we're going to take a look at a couple of AI features again by OPPO, and we're going to go a very quick one over the cameras at the back because I just want to touch very lightly on its portrait capabilities. Let's check it out. Now first and foremost, in terms of the AI features, there's actually three main ones on board, and OPPO says these features are actually brought in to actually help you out because these are actually one of the most requested features. Now the first one is actually called the AI Eraser 2.0. Alright, so what AI Eraser 2.0 basically is all about is removing objects, removing people, removing people who has photobombed your pictures all with just one tap. Now it's very easy to use. I'm going to show you to you real quickly. If you just go into any pictures that you have taken and you just hit that AI Eraser button, you'll notice that we have three different functions over here. So first up, we have the Smart Lasso. We also have Paint Over and Remove People. Now the Smart Lasso is basically for you to draw over a specific subject or object, and the phone itself will detect whatever that you have circled and you will remove it very cleanly. It's as simple as that. Now moving on to the Paint Over feature, and that's basically using your finger to color over whatever you want to remove. And again, the phone itself will use AI to actually go and remove that very specific subject. Alright, so the last one is actually removing people, and this is again very good because it removes the people who has actually photobombed you. So if you only have one person, nothing will be done, but if you have a specific person that you are trying to shoot and there happens to be people around, the phone itself with its AI is actually able to detect those who are actually photobombing the shot. So all in all, AI Eraser 2.0, my take on how OPPO has done that on the Reno 12 Pro is that they're actually doing a very good job at actually creating or recreating an image that looks as if the object wasn't actually even there in the first place. So very cool in terms of the OPPO Reno 12 Pro. Alright, now moving on to the second AI feature over here. Now this one is actually called AI Smart Image Matting 2.0. Now you might know the Smart Matting is basically you are able to crop out any image just by touching on it. So this is basically for cropping out objects or subjects or people, so you can actually do more with it, like create stickers or just save that image very quickly as a PNG file. Now what's the point of this? So basically what I think is actually more fun is actually maybe you can just throw it into another app, create multiple stickers, cut them all out, paste them all into a specific canvas, and what you can do is actually create a very interesting kind of pictures with more meaning to it, because you can even put like cars on it, you can put two people from different places at the same picture, you can add tags, and ultimately it's just going to come out with a very fun image. Alright, so that's AI Smart Matting 2.0. Last but not least, the third feature, the third AI feature is actually called AI Studio, and this is actually an app that you can install into your OPPO Reno 12 Pro. So how this works is, it works just like generative AI, where you can actually put in your face and basically you can generate different styles of portraits, such as pictures for your CV. If you want a more formal look, you can also have a school look, a holiday look, a cartoon look. There's quite a fair bit of looks here. Now I tried one picture of my face and these are the kind of results that I got, but I just wanted to see how my favorite F1 racer, Charles Leclerc, would look like in a different kind of setting. So I just cropped out that image, put it into the AI Studio, and again I generated a ton of really interesting looking photos. Charles could actually use this as his own CV photo, if he just wants to find a new job. He can also use it as a cartoon, and there's just so many kind of fun things that you can play with, and it works not just for the guys, it works for the girls as well. So AI Studio is the app to have, if you want to play with all these kind of generative kind of different styles of portraits. So those are the three key features, the AI features, or what OPPO is really taking on the OPPO Reno 12 Pro. Very fun stuff. Alright, so like I said at the beginning of the video, I want to touch very quickly on the cameras at the back. Right, so what we have here is actually a triple camera setup. It's a 50 megapixel main unit with OIS. You also have that 50 megapixel tele portrait lens, which captures very detailed portraits. You also have the 8 megapixel ultra wide, and at the front you also have the 50 megapixel selfie lens. Now how does this translate into taking portraits? Well, the good thing was that I was actually on a trip back then in Chiang Mai, and I took a couple of shots of a model that was posing, obviously. So what I noticed here is that the pictures actually look very clean. There was very good subject, detection between the person itself as well as the background. So you can actually have these really cool portraits, face, everything looks very natural as well. But if you're just taking pictures on a daily, just normal photos, actually turn out very well, on the OPPO Reno12 Pro 5G. Alright guys, so that pretty much sums up our quick take on the OPPO Reno12 Pro 5G. If you want to find out the latest pricing, I'll put it down in the links down below. If you have any further questions about the device, again, put a comment down below. Thank you for watching today's video all the way to the end, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Do take care and stay safe. Bye bye.